Yeah, hello fans, this is Jerome Kiss Music. So today I'm going to teach you something very special. I'll be doing lead line and bass line breakdown today. So I'm going to play what I'm going to teach you first, then I'll bring the camera to the keyboard so you can see whatever I'm playing here. Okay? So fans, what I was playing is very simple. So I'm playing on F sharp, but the key I'm on is on G. In case you want to rehearse it, you move it to G. So I'll be doing the tutorial on F sharp, but I'll be calling out all the notes of what I'm playing. So for those that cannot play on F sharp, you can apply the notes to your own key, and it will sound the same way it's sounding here. Okay? So I started this way. So let me start with the lead line now. You can see this is my mi so do, okay? Here's my mi so do. So now I started this way. So now I strike my do first, then that is do so ta ta. Then you hold your so and your ta. Yeah. You understand? This is my mi so do ti ta. So do so ta 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 ta. Okay? Do so. If you play it on F, it will still sound the same way. Use it on F. Let's go on. Let's go back to F sharp. Do so ta 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 la. Do so ta 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 ta. Then you go to your fa and la. Fa. Do so ta 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 ta. Then fa and la. Then you strike your fa la re la ti. Do fi fa, okay? Do so ta 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 ta. Fa la re la ti so fi fa. Let me take it slowly. Do so ta 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 la. Fa la re la ti so fi fa. Fa la re la ti so fi fa. If you do it on F, it sound the same. Fa la re la ti so fi fa. Same thing. Okay, just taking it on F so that for those I know we have so many people that play on F on my channel here, so that's why I'm going to F also. Is it? Let's go. So go back to your Mr. Do. Okay? Then you go to your Do, Mr. Do. Right. Do, Mr. T. Do, Mr. T. Mr. Tafa. Falare láti sọ fífa. Do, Mr. T. Mr. Tafa. Okay? Do, Mr. T. Mr. Tafa. Falare láti sọ fífa. Okay? That's it. I know you want to learn all those songs. After you play your guys, so mi fa re mi do, okay? So mi fa re mi do, so mi fa re mi do. Falare láti sọ fífa. Okay, this is just a melody line I created, so I just feel like teaching my fans so you can advance in your lead playing. I know most of you play lead in church with your keyboard, okay? So that's why I'm doing this tutorial. So mi fa re mi do sa ta la fa falare láti sọ fífa. Then you can go so mi fa re mi do re ti, so mi fa re mi do re ta fa fa. So any melody line you are playing, you end it with your. That is just the secret. Okay? So mi fa re mi do re la ta mi fa falare láti sọ fífa. Hope you have gotten this lead line. Let me just show you a little of the bass line, then I will complete the lead line. So once you are playing, I know most of it is very difficult for you to combine this and this. So this is just how you do it. What you need to know first before applying your bass and your lead is to know the progression of what you're playing. So you go da 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 do ba so do ba so. That is what you're playing. So you can use something like this. Trying to get a simple one that you can use. So you can get something like this. Do do do. You can play do so so la la mi la. Okay. Do so so la la mi. Do so so la la la. Or you can play just like or mi la la. You can use do so so la la mi la. Or you can use do so so la la la. So let me use this one. Do so so la la mi la. Do fa la la so so so. Do. Okay? Do 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 so so la la mi la. Do so so la la mi la la. Do fa fa la la so so re so so do. Okay? Let me take it slowly. Do so so la la mi la la. Do fa fa la la so so re so so do. Do so so la la mi la la. Do fa fa la la so so re so so do. Okay? You can use that one and you can also use this now. Do so la mi fa la so re so do so la mi. Okay? Do so la mi do fa la so re so do so la mi do fa la so re so. You can just use, if this one is so hard for you, you can use something. This one now. Do so re la so do so re la so re so. Okay, I think this one is the simplest. Do so re la. Do so re la so re so. Okay, so you can use any of those bass line I'm teaching you there. So it's just very simple. So I think I'm going to stop here, but I'm going to teach you another bass line and lead line on my next video. Okay, and anything you want me to teach you, just comment on the video. Comment on any of my video. If it's a song, you can comment the song and comment whatever you want me to teach you. And please also help by liking, sharing, and also make sure you subscribe. Okay, make sure you subscribe. I'm going to try my best to give you quality content and also teach you on so many things on keyboard. Okay, thank you and God bless you all.